This is Chris and Ashley here on the self-guided trail at Lapa Rios in the Osa Peninsula of Costa Rica. In the background you can hear all the howler monkeys, and this is what we wake up to every day here, and periodically throughout the day they flip out like this. So if you want to just listen. This is Chris being a monkey. You're on film. Will you see him? You see him? We're getting close, so maybe we'll be able to get them on film for you guys. I keep saying film because I'm old school, I guess. Wow, they're so close. Is that a snake? Okay, the howler monkeys seemed close, but not sure where they are. So instead we give you the skink. We've seen hundreds of these around here. We've also seen green iguanas, large and small, toucans, scarlet macaws, capuchin monkeys, cotamundis, crazy birds of all sorts,